are back for another travel vlog, a 2021 travel vlog. I am so thankful that 2 months na lang natitira sa 2021 and nakakapag-travel kami despite the crazy pandemic. I'm gonna link my 2021 travel vlog playlist over here. Nakapag-travel kami sa Mindanao. We did a road trip noong May and other beautiful beaches around the Philippines. So if you wanna check it out, playlist is over here. I hope you can hear me. This mask is very bothersome. We are thankful daw na napirmahan na ni President Duterte ang face shield na hindi na siya required. So we are just wearing a face mask. This one is from the Virtus brand. I'm gonna put the link, Facebook link down below. This is my niece and my nephew. So the travel destination for this travel vlog is, there's no sign. Nakakita ka ng sign. We are in the inflatable island. Yan ang destination natin ngayon. This one is a branch of Subic. They have 2 branches here in the Philippines. The other one is in Cebu, but it is currently closed. So we are here in Subic and I think they have been open for quite some time. We got our tickets sa 11/11 sale nila. It's like 50% off because we got the whole day pass for only $4.49. They have a buy one take one full day pass which costs $8.99 for 2 person. So that's huge deal na sa ticket because the original price is $9.99 for the whole day pass. So I'm gonna link the Google location ng inflatable island down below, but wag niyong susundan hanggang dun sa destination. I think pali yung point ng Google location nila. Before ka makarating, I think a kilometer away from the destination, you will see a sign. That's the sign. Nakalagay, Samba Blue Resort. Nasa left side niyo siya if you are from Manila or from the south. So, dun na kayo mag-turn. Huwag niyong diretsuhin yung destination because lalampas kayo dun sa entrance ng inflatable island. We are very blessed na nakaka-travel pa rin kami. I am with 2 senior citizens, my mom and dad, and then we have 3 other families na kasama namin. The other one is my sister's family, the other one is katabi ng barangay namin, and then the other one is from Villamor. Walang travel requirements ng inflatable island, which we are very happy. All ages are allowed, although yung kids nila, I think less than 3.5 feet is bawal pa tumapak dun sa inflatable. Pero all ages are allowed inside. We got our tickets na. Pumasok na yung family ng sister ko and we're waiting for the other family. As I've said before, this is a very good deal. We got it for 50% off because of the 11/11 sale. If gusto nyo na ganun din ang price nyo, kasi this island has been on our bucket list for so long. Kaya lang natatabunan siya ng mga priority destinations. So, ngayon lang kami nakapunta. And sakto, nakita namin yung 11/11 deal. If you want to have that deal, mag-abang na lang kayo ng sale. Maybe sa 12/12 or sa 1/1, sa 2/2, sa 3/3. Pero this one is a good deal. 50% off and then whole day pass siya. Tonight, we are going to stay at the resort na malapit dito. Actually, right beside siya. Tapos na ako mag-vlog. Hindi pa rin sila tapos. That's our things. Ano na yung sinasabi ko kanina? Yes, we are going to sleep beside the resort dito sa inflatable island. The name is Samba Blue Resort and I'm gonna show it to you later because A-frame, bahay kubo, nipo hot na naman ang tutulugan namin and I'm so excited. Ito mga restaurant ko magbubukas din, kuya. Ilan taon ka na, kuya? Ikaw, ading. 5, 9 years old and 5 years old and senior citizens are allowed here.
Po tayong 21 obstacles and then per obstacle po, may allotted time lang tayo na 3 to 5 minutes. May assign din po kung lifeguard sa inyo which is si Kuya Junel. If na proper attire na po, ready na po tayong mali.
It's the time of orientation and it's time for us to change and experience the inflatable island. Let's go! 500 yung day beds over there. The whole day na yun. And the first thing we should do is get our life vest. Okay na po. Their Bilao bundle. This one, $9.99 because yun lang available nila. Wala silang seafood right now. Ang available nila is yung barbecue meat only. And this is what it looks like. Kumain. Ating anong gagawin natin? Mag-buy ng
ice cream.
Chocolate ma'am, pinisig, cheese, buko salad.
Chocolate. Reference na. Dalawang buko salad. Buko salad.
Dito yung place na kumain kami. Yan lang yung restaurant na open. Although merong mga restaurants kami nakikita doon, pero hindi daw siya nag-open. So maybe because of the COVID. So marami namang tables and this is free dun sa binayaran mong entrance fee. And then my day beds dito, 500 for the whole day. Maganda siya for Instagram and everything. Those parts are bin bags na included and free sa entrance fee mo. Tapos, yan ang inflatable island. Dito ka mag-start, then you can go around there or you can turn around here. Punta ka doon. This one is a swing park na you can swing and you can land on the water. And then you can go over here. And this is the one na kailangan may tatalon dito para ikaw na nakahiga dito is tatalon doon. Hi! 6 o'clock na. Umahon na kami. And dito sa inflatable island is hanggang 6 o'clock lang dito sa beach. And yan na. Si Unicorn is natutulog na. And we are going to our accommodation. This is the Samba Blue Ocean Resort, which is right beside the inflatable island. Hanggang 6 o'clock kami dito sa day beds. We are going to move in a while. Pero we really had fun. Buong araw nandun kami. We had a race, paunahan, and everything. This is really a good deal, especially when you have a deal like the 11/11 sale, which is buy one take one, good for two, valid for 50 per person na lang. That is really good deal. Pero kung may budget naman kayo for a whole day pass, recommended pala na whole day pass. Kasi kung mag half day pass kayo, tapos nandun kayo sa island, you need rest and half day. Siguro mag 2 rounds lang kayo around the whole area and mapapagod na kayo. Pero kung naka whole day pass kayo, makakapag-rest ka and you can just take your time to really enjoy the inflatable island. So we are here in our accommodation. We rented out this one. This is our hut. This is my sister's family's hut. This is our friend's hut, and that one also. So I'm gonna show you the inside, how quaint and everything, cute, how very chic and just homey. Watch this.
The next day.
Morning. We are checking out. So sunny. Buti na lang kahapon kami nag-inflatable kundi sunog na sunog kami ngayon. It's Friday and medyo maraming tao on the inflatable island. We are checking out. That's our rooms. This is the Samba Blue Ocean Resort, and over there is the inflatable island. So we are checking out and see you in my next travel vlog. Sino yon?